Today we're going to be going over a Cheat Katana True Hyper for the UTC. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the second True Hyper kick for the UTC. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your Swing Katana Snap Hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So basically all this move is the Swing Katana True Hyper that we already learned, but we're adding a cheat takeoff in front of it. And that is just to make it a little bit more awkward for you, so when we get to harder skills, they will be a little bit easier. This move also is focused more directly to a 540 kick than the last one. The last one was more for a swing 540 kick. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, kind of looking at your target. You're going to bring your cheat leg up and then put it back down. Bring your swing leg up, throwing your inside crescent kick. Jump around 180 degrees, landing on the kicking leg, finishing the move in a backside stance. Don't forget you can do this move with a spin, you can do it with a follow through, and you can also do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to those because we are going to be comboing hyper moves like this later on. And again, this is all about the swipe, so like the hip turnover when you kind of bring your legs close together like so. That's kind of what you want to get. As for progressions, you want to make sure you have your Cheat Katana Snap Hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. And I'm also curious, what tricks are you most excited to learn in this curriculum? Please leave a comment down below, let me know. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.